Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the tomato sauce recipe in Heartopia. First, make sure you already have the jam recipe. You can get this recipe from Massimo. And then next, just go to your stove and tap on it. And then just use the original jam recipe or mixed jam like this. And then on here, just change all the fruit ingredients. Just change or replace it with the tomato like this. Like this, and then when you're done, just simply tap on start cooking and then just cook the jam or sauce like this. And okay, like this. After cooking, you will unlock a new recipe, tomato sauce. Usually there will be an animations the first time that you successfully unlock it, but in my case there's no animations because I have already unlocked this recipe before. And okay, that's all for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!